VO. Welcome back to Awesome Art Adventures, where we make art, make friends, and make a mess. Sound of a silly splat. Leo. Whoa! Mia, look at my latest masterpiece. It's, a fluffy cloud fighting a spaghetti monster. MIA. Giggles. And mine is a super speedy snail. We've been practicing our fast drawing. Leo. But today, we're not just practicing, we're challenging. Maya. That's right, get ready for the Awesome Art Challenge. Leo. Our first challenge is called Draw with Your Eyes Closed. Maya gasps dramatically. Ooh, spooky. The idea is to draw something without looking at your paper. It's harder than it sounds. Leo. We're going to draw a puppy, a super cute fluffy puppy. Maya. Ready, set, close your eyes. Leo. Is this a leg or is it an ear? It feels very wiggly. Maya. I hope my puppy has two eyes. I think I just drew one in the middle of its head. VO. Wow, they're really concentrating. This challenge is all about letting go and seeing what surprising shapes you can create. Leo. Okay, I think my puppy is complete. MIA. Me too. On the count of 3, we open our eyes and show. 1, 2, 3. Elio holds up his drawing, which is a hilarious tangle of lines. It's a very abstract puppy. It looks like it just ran through a wind tunnel. MIA holds up her drawing, which is a bit more cohesive, but still funny. And mine. Mine has very long legs and a very small head. It's a noodle puppy.